What if I told you the US has just unleashed a fighter jet so powerful, so fast, that it's changing the very future of air combat? This isn't just another upgrade. It's a technological revolution. Imagine a jet that's nearly invisible to radar, packed with hypersonic missiles, and armed with laser-like weapons straight out of a sci-fi movie. This beast can strike without warning, and it's pushing the boundaries of speed and stealth like nothing before. Today, we're revealing the secrets behind this jaw-dropping machine. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. The speed that blows minds. Almost breaking the speed of light. This isn't just any fighter jet. It's a machine that is redefining speed in the most extreme way. Imagine a jet flying so fast that it almost challenges the very limits of physics, coming dangerously close to breaking the speed of light. While no jet has ever achieved that feat, this fighter is pushing those boundaries in ways that have never been done before. The US Air Force has developed an aircraft that can reach hypersonic speeds, leaving even the fastest jets of today in its dust. The capabilities of this jet aren't just impressive, they're downright mind-boggling. It can cover vast distances in minutes, allowing it to outpace any threat in the sky. When you're moving at speeds like this, you don't just fight battles, you dominate them. This jet's speed means that it can strike before the enemy even knows what hit them. The battlefield is about to change forever, but speed alone isn't enough. What makes this jet truly special is that it combines these extreme speeds with unmatched agility. It can perform maneuvers at hypersonic velocities that would tear other jets apart. The US has developed a fighter that doesn't just break records, it obliterates them. This is the kind of speed that turns science fiction into reality. While breaking the speed of light remains impossible by today's standards, this aircraft is as close as any human-made machine has come. It's not just fast, it's impossibly fast. Pilots flying this jet will experience a new level of combat where speed is not just an advantage, it's the ultimate weapon. The question now is, how will the world respond? With the US Air Force leading the charge in hypersonic speed, rival nations are scrambling to catch up. But as of now, there's no competition. This jet is rewriting the rulebook, and the sky is no longer the limit. The ultimate stealth weapon. You can't see it, but it sees you. Speed is just the beginning. This fighter jet is also nearly invisible to enemy radars, making it a ghost in the sky. The advanced stealth technology built into this aircraft means it can fly into enemy territory without being detected. Imagine a jet that could be flying directly overhead, and you wouldn't even know it until it's too late. That's the kind of dominance this jet brings to the battlefield. This isn't just regular stealth. The jet is covered with radar-absorbing materials, and its design is engineered to deflect radar waves, making it nearly impossible to track. In a world where detection can mean the difference between life and death, this jet's stealth capabilities give it an overwhelming advantage. It can carry out missions deep within enemy lines, gather intelligence, or strike critical targets, all without ever being seen. But stealth doesn't stop at radar. The designers have also minimized its heat signature, making it harder to detect with infrared systems. Even its sound is engineered to be quieter than other jets, meaning that by the time you hear it, it's already too late. It's a level of stealth that gives the pilot the upper hand in any combat situation. The combination of stealth and speed makes this jet a true predator of the skies. While enemy aircraft might be powerful, they're useless if they can't see the threat coming. The US has created a fighter that doesn't just engage in combat, it stalks its prey. This jet can strike from the shadows, leaving no chance for retaliation. And this isn't just about being invisible. The jet can see and track enemies long before they even know it's there. Using advanced sensors and systems, it can lock onto targets from far away, ensuring that by the time they realize what's happening, it's already too late. This is more than just an aircraft. It's a hunter, and the sky is its battlefield. The fighter jet that sees through itself, the pilot's superpower. Now imagine being in the cockpit of this advanced fighter jet, but with one incredible twist. You can actually see through the jet itself. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, pilots are equipped with a helmet-mounted display that gives them a 360-degree view of their surroundings. It's like having X-ray vision. The pilot can literally look through the aircraft, giving them unmatched situational awareness in any combat situation. This technology is a game changer. Pilots no longer have to rely on just what they can see in front of them. With this helmet, they can see everything around them, including the ground, sky, and other aircraft. It's like turning the pilot into a superhuman, with the ability to monitor every angle of the battlefield without moving an inch. The helmet displays all vital information directly on the visor, allowing the pilot to track enemies, monitor the jet systems, and execute maneuvers without ever taking their eyes off the target. It's a seamless integration of man and machine that makes this jet far more than just another fighter. It's an extension of the pilot's abilities. With night vision, infrared, and real-time data feed, this helmet gives the pilot complete control over every situation. Even in the dead of night or in the most challenging weather conditions, the pilot has perfect visibility. This technology ensures that the jet is always one step ahead of the competition, and it gives pilots the confidence to engage in any mission, knowing they have the upper hand. The helmet-mounted display isn't just revolutionary, it's a glimpse into the future of air combat. As this technology continues to evolve, we could see pilots becoming even more connected to their jets, creating a new era of air superiority where the pilot and jet work together as one unstoppable force. Weapons of the future, lasers and hypersonic missiles. Speed and stealth are impressive, but what truly sets this fighter jet apart is its arsenal of futuristic weapons. This isn't just a jet with regular missiles. It's equipped with the most advanced weaponry the world has ever seen, including hypersonic missiles and potentially even laser weapons. Yes, you heard that right. Laser weapons. The future of air combat isn't just coming, it's already here. Hypersonic missiles are the next big thing in military technology. These missiles travel at speeds that make them nearly impossible to intercept. This fighter jet can launch a hypersonic missile and strike targets from thousands of miles away before the enemy even has time to react. These weapons turn this jet into a force that no enemy can outrun or outmaneuver. And then, there's the possibility of lasers. While it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, the US is already experimenting with laser technology on its fighter jets. These lasers could be used to shoot down enemy missiles, destroy ground targets, or even disable enemy aircraft. This fighter jet isn't just about brute force, it's about precision and technological superiority. But the jet's weaponry doesn't stop there. It can carry a wide variety of bombs and missiles, from air-to-air combat missiles to precision-guided bombs for ground strikes. Whether it's engaging in dogfights or striking strategic targets, this jet has the firepower to get the job done. It's a one-stop shop for all kinds of combat, making it one of the most versatile fighter jets in history. The combination of speed, stealth, and advanced weapons makes this fighter jet nearly unstoppable. With its hypersonic missiles and laser technology, it's not just fighting today's battles, it's preparing for the wars of tomorrow. This jet is a glimpse into the future of military power, and it's a future that is rapidly approaching. Born from Russian secrets, the unexpected origin story. Believe it or not, some of the groundbreaking technology that makes this jet so advanced has a surprising origin. Russia. In the 1990s, after the collapse of the Soviet Union, the US quietly acquired vital data and prototypes from Russia's Yakovlev company, known for developing innovative aircraft. This was during a time when the world least expected collaboration between these two nations. The deal provided the US with access to cutting-edge Russian technology that became instrumental in shaping the future of American air combat. One of the standout technologies obtained was related to vertical takeoff and landing, something Russia had been developing for years. This ability to lift off vertically and perform incredible aerial maneuvers was a game-changer for US military aircraft. With this data, the US could advance its fighter jet capabilities far beyond anything that was in development at the time. The irony? A once rival nation provided the building blocks for what has become one of the most advanced fighter jets in history. It's a twist in the story that no one saw coming, but one that proves how innovation can come from the most unexpected places. This collaboration laid the groundwork for a series of breakthroughs that would give the US an unshakable edge in air combat. It wasn't just the technology that made this partnership so important, it was the timing. At a moment when the US needed a leap forward to maintain its air superiority, Russian tech provided the perfect boost. What started as a quest to modernize the US fleet soon turned into the creation of a fighter jet that would go on to shock the world. Today, the legacy of this partnership lives on in every mission that this fighter jet undertakes. While many see it as a symbol of American power, the truth is that it carries with it the DNA of global collaboration. This jet proves that when it comes to innovation, borders don't matter and the sky is truly the limit. A fighter jet that's also a nuclear bomber. Speed, stealth, and advanced weaponry are impressive enough. But this jet's versatility goes even further. It's capable of carrying nuclear bombs. That's right. This fighter isn't just a tactical weapon for air-to-air combat. It can also be deployed as a nuclear bomber, making it one of the most powerful strategic assets in the US arsenal. It's fast, nearly invisible to enemy radar, and can deliver devastating power when the stakes are highest. Imagine the potential of a fighter jet that can reach its target undetected, traveling at hypersonic speeds and carrying a nuclear payload. This dual capability means that the jet can be used in a wide range of scenarios, from defending airspace to striking deep within enemy territory with precision nuclear strikes. It adds a new dimension to air warfare, where the line between tactical and strategic combat blurs. The F-35A, in particular, has been tested and proven capable of carrying nuclear bombs, such as the B-6112. This means the jet can be deployed in some of the most sensitive military operations in the world, adding an extra layer of deterrence in global conflicts. The ability to handle both conventional and nuclear missions makes this jet not only versatile, but also a key player in global military strategy. This isn't just about having a powerful weapon. It's about having the flexibility to use it in ways that maximize impact while minimizing detection. The US military's decision to equip this jet with nuclear capabilities shows just how much trust they place in its technology and performance. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a cornerstone of modern military deterrence. As global tensions rise, the ability to deploy a nuclear-capable fighter jet becomes increasingly important. This jet provides the US with an unparalleled advantage, ensuring that it can respond to any threat, conventional or nuclear, at a moment's notice. It's this kind of power and flexibility that makes the F-35 one of the most crucial assets in modern military operations. The helmet that sees everything. Complete situational awareness. In the heat of battle, having complete awareness of your surroundings is everything. This fighter jet gives its pilots something almost no other aircraft can. A helmet-mounted display that allows them to see everything around them in real time. It's as if the pilot can see through the jet itself, giving them a 360-degree view of the battlefield. This advanced technology doesn't just give pilots an advantage, it makes them almost untouchable. This glass cockpit experience is powered by the jet's revolutionary sensors, which feed real-time data directly into the pilot's helmet. Whether it's identifying enemy aircraft, monitoring ground targets, or even seeing through cloud cover, the helmet display projects everything the pilot needs directly onto their visor. In essence, the pilot no longer has to rely on looking out of a window. The entire battlefield is visible at a glance. Night vision, infrared, and thermal imaging all combine to give the pilot unparalleled situational awareness, no matter the conditions. Whether flying at night, in bad weather, or under heavy enemy fire, this helmet ensures that the pilot can see everything clearly. It's like being inside a video game where all the important data is displayed right in front of your eyes, allowing you to make split-second decisions. This helmet doesn't just improve awareness, it enhances the pilot's ability to react instantly. In the fast-paced world of air combat, milliseconds matter, and this technology ensures that the pilot always has the upper hand. Whether tracking multiple enemy jets or lining up a precision strike, the pilot has the tools to succeed in even the most intense combat situations. In many ways, this helmet is a glimpse into the future of air combat. It bridges the gap between pilot and machine, creating a seamless connection that makes the F-35 more than just an aircraft. It's an extension of the pilot's capabilities. With this technology, the US Air Force is ensuring that their pilots will always have the edge, no matter how advanced the enemy's aircraft may become. Global demand. Everyone wants this jet, It's no surprise that other countries around the world are lining up to get their hands on this incredible fighter jet. The F-35 isn't just an American military asset. It's a symbol of air dominance that has captured the attention of nations worldwide. From Israel to Japan, from Australia to Poland, this jet has become the go-to choice for countries looking to secure their airspace and project power on a global scale. What makes this jet so appealing? For starters, it's versatile. It can perform a wide range of missions, from dogfights to precision airstrikes to intelligence gathering. This multi-role capability means that countries don't have to invest in multiple aircraft. They get everything they need in one jet. And when it comes to air superiority, having a jet that can do it all is a game changer. Countries that purchase the F-35 are not just buying an aircraft. They're gaining access to the latest military technology. The U.S. has ensured that all its international partners receive the best upgrades and support, meaning that their jets stay at the cutting edge of combat capabilities. This has created a global community of F-35 users, all sharing information, technology, and training to ensure that they remain dominant in the skies. Israel, in particular, has already used its F-35s in combat, proving just how effective the jet can be in real-world scenarios. Japan has also invested heavily in the jet, even reviving its aircraft carrier program to accommodate the F-35. Other nations like Poland and Greece are following suit, recognizing that owning this jet gives them a significant strategic advantage. For countries looking to stay ahead of the curve, the F-35 is the ultimate investment. It's more than just a fighter jet, it's a ticket to air superiority. As more nations invest in this jet, it's clear that the U.S. has set the standard for the future of air combat, and the F-35 is leading the charge. The price of perfection. The $400 billion investment. Innovation comes at a cost, and the price tag for developing and producing the F-35 is nothing short of astronomical. With development costs alone exceeding $400 billion, this fighter jet has become one of the most expensive military projects in history. And that's just the beginning. Operating costs are expected to surpass $1 trillion by 2070. But for the U.S., this is a price worth paying. Why? Because the F-35 represents the future of air combat. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of military dominance and technological superiority. The U.S. has poured billions into ensuring that this jet remains ahead of any competitor for decades to come. Every feature, from its stealth capabilities to its advanced sensors, has been meticulously developed to create the ultimate weapon of air superiority. But with great power comes great responsibility. The high cost of the F-35 has been a point of contention, with some questioning whether the investment is truly worth it. But for the U.S. Air Force, the answer is clear. This jet isn't just about today, it's about securing the future. The ability to dominate the skies in the next 50 years is something you can't put a price on. And it's not just the U.S. that sees the value. Countries around the world are willing to invest millions to get their hands on this jet, recognizing that it's an investment in their national security. For these nations, the cost is high, but the benefits are even higher. The F-35 gives them a seat at the table of global military power, ensuring that they can compete with the best. As the F-35 continues to evolve, its costs may rise, but so too will its capabilities. The U.S. and its allies understand that perfection isn't cheap, but in the high-stakes world of military dominance, it's a price they're willing to pay. The F-35 is more than just an aircraft. It's the future of air warfare, and that's something worth investing in. The future of air combat is here. The U.S. Air Force has done it again. With the development of this ultra-advanced fighter jet, they've redefined what's possible in the skies. This isn't just another jet. It's a machine that combines speed, stealth, and cutting-edge technology to create the ultimate weapon of air superiority. Whether it's flying undetected through enemy airspace, launching hypersonic missiles, or giving pilots 360-degree awareness, this jet is unlike anything the world has ever seen. The future of air combat isn't coming, it's already here, and the U.S. is leading the way with an aircraft that has left military experts around the world stunned. With its unparalleled capabilities, this jet has become the gold standard for modern air warfare, setting the bar so high that other nations are scrambling to catch up. But the story doesn't end here. As technology continues to evolve, so too will this fighter jet. Hypersonic missiles, laser weapons, and AI-driven combat systems are just the beginning. If this blew your mind, there's so much more waiting for you. Check out my other videos to dive deeper into the world of advanced fighter jets and military tech. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. There's always something bigger and better coming. See you in the next one.